The old town, old Medina, yes.
The old town.
Marrakech. The old town Marrakech.
Oh, sorry.
Which is so we're now going to head into the Souks and see, doing a bit of shopping, I think. Let's go. We have hundreds of fruit stands. There is, I believe there's about 54 of them all the way around, because they got them there, and on the other side they have the things. I think also got a load of the juice sellers down that side, and they're on the other side as well. They're just everywhere in this square. You also have people with the dancing monkeys, which is very cool as far as I'm concerned, as well as the snake charmers there. So you can see the snakes just sat there. Oop. Move out the way of the donkeys. Wow. They use a lot of donkeys around the Souks to move things around, as well as obviously motorbikes and... Oop. Wow. See down the side roads there, you have all there's all riads down these little lanes and everything. Oh look, we found a butcher shop. That's their version of a butcher shop.
Most of the butcher doesn't want to repair.
Oh, found a laundry. Just a door, and then it's not doesn't seem to say it's a laundry, a piece where people just know. This is like a Philippine sari store. Sari, however you say it. For Mary. Funny shaped bags. They're different. They're different, those ones like that. They're different bags, aren't they?
No, it's a bag for like...
Bikes, they're for bikes. They're pannier bike. They're panniers. I thought it was a funny looking bag. No, thank you. Viagra. No problem with that, mate. Don't need that. Going to buy some spices. What about some Viagra? Doesn't it look like Viagra?
Wow, that looks really good. This must be good as well.
That is really good.
Yes, come on. If you want to have yours, you can buy it here. I love those colorful plates. It's really colorful here. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe for more videos.